Why is my body still dry?
Can my shower habits cause acne?
The perfect body care for my body on today's Do and Don't.
Hey Wishtrenders!
Hi everyone, hi Casper,
Hello.
and welcome to Do and Don't.
Today on Do and Don't, we're going to be talking all about body care.
Yes, we're going to talk about body care, and actually a lot of people focus on their face, but they forget that we need to care about the body as well, but they don't know how.
However, you should be taking care of your body just as much as your face in order to prevent skin concerns such as keratosis, KLAIRS, and hyperpigmentation.
Exactly, so let's find out how.
So, does showering well mean the same thing as proper body care?
So similar to the skin on your face, the water oil content of your skin is super important in your body skin as well. So your body skin is also exposed to air, to everything that is out there. And for that, you need to apply moisturizer to make a nice barrier on your skin.
That's right, so if you're someone with a lot of sebum or if you sweat a lot, you might think, my skin isn't dry and just skip over moisturizer. However, in order to maintain your skin's water-oil balance, not only do you need to wash away and cleanse the sebum and sweat, you also need to properly moisture care.
So if your skin loses its balance, then it will become more prone to acne because the skin barrier will be affected.
So compared to your face, your body's skin is thicker, which means there's a higher chance of dead skin cells to pile up. That's why it's harder to take care of acne or hyperpigmentation when it happens on the body. So it's really important to prevent them beforehand.
So in today's video, we're going to talk about body care for each skin type, body care for certain concerns, hyperpigmentation, and all that jazz, so stay tuned. Do body care for each skin type.
For those of you with dry skin, it's important to use a moisturizing cleanser from the beginning of the routine. So make sure you use a body wash or cleanser that provides moisture to your skin while washing away impurities and dead skin cells.
And especially, it is a good idea to use a cleanser that can draw in more moisture to your skin, such as products with low pH, hyaluronic acid, or butylene glycol. So for dry skin, a moisturizing body lotion is just important as the moisturizing gel cleanser, right?
That's right. Choosing a product that can provide deep moisture for your skin is super important. Also, finishing off with a body oil is very helpful.
So if you choose a body oil with the right ingredients, that's going to lock all of that good stuff in. It's going to provide your skin with both hydration and moisture.
Now for those of you with oily skin, I don't think moisturization has to be your first priority. I know that you don't want to feel sticky more than anything.
So compared to the skin on your face, the skin on your body has less sebaceous glands, which means that it becomes drier more quickly, and it's also prone to irritation because of the friction, because of all the clothes that we wear on a daily basis, right?
And that causes your skin's water-oil balance to break. But if you have oily skin, it's less visible and less noticeable than dry skin. That's why it is so important to consistently cleanse the sebum, sweat, impurities, and properly take care of your moisture. If you have oily skin, we want to recommend a soap product that has a high cleansing ability because you need something that can cleanse your skin effectively.
And it's even better if you find that one soap that is going to clean your pores, that is not going to leave a residue, and that is going to leave your skin intact.
One of the worst enemies of oily skin is none other than acne. And to fight this acne, we recommend using a Cica toner on a cotton pad to wipe areas prone to acne, such as the chest and back.
Also, keep an eye out for the ingredient metacasicide, which is going to reduce scars and dark spots.
We'll go more into body acne when we talk about the do's for special care for body, so just hold on. For sensitive skin, you have to be even more careful when you think about cleansing and moisturizing. You have to choose from a larger variety of products to choose a non-irritating cleanser that exfoliates well and that absorbs really well while moisturizing your skin.
That's right, it's important to find the right routine that is both going to cleanse your body and moisturize it the right way. If you have sensitive skin, we recommend using a shower gel that has a low pH and creates fine bubble foam. So this new product right here contains natural ingredients such as charcoal that is going to cling onto the impurities in your pores and that is going to leave your skin unclogged.
That's right, by using a cleanser that has the ability to cling onto sebum, you're not going to need to use a lot of product or massage really forcefully in order to clean your body. On top of that, if it's a product gentle enough that you could use it on your face, then it means it's gentle enough for your sensitive skin.
So the same goes for body lotion. If you choose a moisturizer that can be used for both face and body, it will provide moisture care gentle enough for your sensitive skin.
Do proper exfoliation.
So when it comes to body care, there is something that people tend to overlook even more than moisturizing. It's exfoliating.
Similar to your face, if the dead skin cells on your body aren't properly removed, then the moisturizing ingredients can't be properly absorbed, breaking the water-oil balance, which means you're more prone to acne.
Yes, and that is why exfoliating is a crucial part of your body skincare. Before taking a shower, use a body brush to brush away any big dead skin cells while helping your blood circulation. Start far away from your heart and work your way towards your heart for 5 minutes before you hop in the shower.
Also, using a scrub product once in a while is a good way to remove the dead skin cells that have accumulated on the body.
So if your moisturizing products don't seem to apply this well, then maybe it's because of the dead skin cells that is accumulated on your body. So that's why we recommend you to exfoliate once or twice a week.
However, if you have sensitive skin and if you scrub too often, or if you have normal skin but you over-exfoliate, this can actually make your skin worse. Remember, we always say everything in moderation.
Do special body care.
Body acne is very stubborn and it doesn't really like to go away once it starts appearing, so prevention is key. If you feel like sweat and sebum has piled up all over your body, it's really good to wash it away as soon as possible.
So if you're concerned about body acne, you should stay away from very, very hot water, which is very difficult for me because it's gonna stimulate your sebaceous glands and it's gonna create more acne and trouble, and you don't want that.
Specific areas like the chest and back especially have more sebaceous glands. So for these areas, try using products that are low pH, soaps with an exfoliating effect, and cleansers with LHA, PHA ingredients.
If you have acne-prone skin, we recommend you to use low pH products because acne is thriving in alkaline environments. And if you cannot properly get rid of your sebum, maybe use an exfoliating product and incorporate it in your routine, and that is going to help your skin so much.
Aside from acne though, we need to especially care for our body because of other skin concerns such as hyperpigmentation and keratosis pilaris.
So the products on the screen right now are water, toner, and pad products that are both gonna moisturize your skin and keep the cycle of it perfect. And with these products, you're gonna be able to adjust your skin cycle, get rid of acne bacteria, impurities, and clogged pores.
Yep, using these products will help prevent breakouts caused by dead skin cells from hyperpigmentation and keratosis pilaris.
And last but not least, don't forget that the last step of your body skincare routine should be SPF.
Don't extract acne on the chest and back.
So on your body, when it comes to acne, you usually have pustules, which is very tempting to pop, but you shouldn't.
Unlike the acne on your face, the acne on your body is more likely to scar and become infected.
That's right, the skin is so much thicker that it takes a long time to get better and to heal, which makes it heal into like hyperpigmentation and spots, and it's so difficult to get rid of.
It is also recommended to avoid physical exfoliation on body acne. You have to treat it like a sensitive area and avoid causing more damage.
Don't exfoliate and skip body lotion.
Applying body lotion for moisture after exfoliating is so important. If you don't moisturize the skin after physical exfoliation, those areas will become dry and make your skin more sensitive.
That's right, so if your skin is already exfoliated, then it's your chance to take the most advantage of your products, create a better synergy with your skin cycle, and get all of these good ingredients to get inside your skin.
It is especially easy to forget about it if you have oily skin, but guys, if you exfoliate, please don't forget to moisturize afterwards.
So today we talked about body care, so what did you guys think?
I really hope that our Wishtrenders don't forget that our body care is just as important as our face care.
If there's any Wishtrenders out there that think that they have mastered the art of the body routine, then let us know in the comments. Share tips with each other, and all of the products that we talked about today are going to be in the info box, so check them out.
And make sure to subscribe to Wishtrend TV to become one of our Wishtrenders to see the next episode of Do and Don't.
And don't forget to like this video.
Yeah.
See
Bye,
you next
guys.
time.